You've been assigned the daunting task of cooking the Thanksgiving turkey, but are you doing it right? It's time to learn from the masters. The turkey conundrum. Many home cooks dread the challenge of preparing a whole turkey, and even professional chefs admit it's no easy feat. The bird's tendency to dry out and the struggle to achieve perfect doneness across all parts can be a real culinary headache. But here's a game changer. Chef Nancy Silverton, a culinary legend with multiple accolades, has a unique approach to tackling this dilemma. She reveals that the secret to success lies in breaking down the turkey before cooking. The expert's method. Silverton's technique involves separating the turkey into its parts and cooking them individually. She roasts the breast and braises the thighs separately, ensuring each piece receives the attention it deserves. This method prevents the breast from drying out, while the thighs cook to perfection. Timing is everything. The duration of cooking a turkey depends on various factors. The USDA advises roasting at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, but the time varies based on weight and whether it's stuffed. A whole unstuffed turkey of 14 to 18 pounds might take up to 4.5 hours, while a half breast cooks much faster, in about an hour. And this is the part most people miss. By breaking down the turkey, you gain control over the cooking process. No more overcooked breasts or undercooked thighs. It's a simple yet effective strategy that can elevate your Thanksgiving feast. So, are you ready to try this unconventional method and impress your guests? It might just be the secret to a juicy, perfectly cooked turkey. But beware, this technique could spark a debate among traditionalists. Do you think it's worth breaking tradition for a better bird? Share your thoughts in the comments.